Hello everyone, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprint.com podcast. And this is your favorite host, Billy. In this channel, we're focusing on bringing you the best business idea that'll generate more income into your bank account. So if you are new here, hit the like button for your favorite host and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any single one of these life-changing ideas. And while you were here on YouTube, might as well hit the bell notification for your YouTube will alert when we're posting new content. Don't think too much now. You'll end up benefiting more from this information we're about to share. So for today's episode, we'll take a look at how to make money with drop service. If you explore any list of ideas for starting an online business, there's a good chance you've heard of drop shipping. We also have a video about drop shipping in this channel. Perhaps even a spin-off known as drop servicing. The drop servicing business model has becoming more and more popular and promises a good revenue stream without a huge investment. But you're likely wondering what exactly drop servicing is and how it works. How does it compare to drop shipping, as well as how to get started? So in this guide, you learn all about drop service. So what is drop servicing? Drop servicing is a business model where you sell service that you don't fulfill yourself. Rather, you outsource the work to a freelancer or an agency. We call them white labeling agency that complete the products for you. It's a form of outsourcing service arbitrage, which means just a fancy term for reselling. You play the role of the middleman, the market that bring in the customer and connecting the buyer and the service. So to go deeper, drop serving is just basically drop shipping model, but for services instead of products. What's important to note right off the bat is that this model isn't new. In fact, it's been around for many years. Drop servicing model is best understood through some of these examples. You bring your jacket to a dry cleaning business, but they end up sending it to a cleaning factory rather than washing it at the store. It's called drop servicing. You go to a local bakery expecting a fresh baked good, but they actually got their pastry from a factory rather than baking it in-house. It's called drop servicing. This to keep the costs lower on them. These real-world examples shows that drop servicing can work with both tangible and intangible products, but most frequently discovered these days with online services like digital marketing or website designs. Chances are you actually bought products from a drop shipper or drop servicer before, and you might not know about it. As a client, you might never know the difference between a service delivered directly by a provider or one sold by drop service. But really, do you care? As long as you get what you pay for, you're good. So how does drop servicing works? The process starting a drop service business is extremely simple. You need to put up a nice looking website selling the service you want that the people to pay for using SEO or pay media to bring in the customer, and then you go find somebody who actually do the work. In this modern era, the drop servicing business model often goes like this. Okay, so you design a website offering marketing services, then you provide promotions, advertise to get the service in front of the clients. Next, you move forward with the project detail to the service provider to do all the work. Finally, once complete, you deliver the work to the client. Drop servicing is about selling a service at a high price and then find somebody who will do the work for a lower price and you pocket the difference. What can you drop service? The reason why drop servicing might seem so popular these days is that everyone wants to be taught that you can drop service anything, and that's just about true. While most drop service business often offer a digital marketing service of some sort, like website development, logo design, SEO, etc., you can drop service anything long as you have two necessary elements: a person willing to do the work for X amount, a client willing to pay more for the service. Is drop servicing legal? Yes, it's completely legal. So what do you need to start with drop servicing service? Let us recap. Okay, one reason why drop servicing model is being promoted all over the web as a type of quick money making scheme is that it's easy to convince people to try it. So many coaches and gurus will sell you on the idea, profiting off of their training tools and affiliate links that just offering hosts and other services, but you don't have to buy into any such things. All you need to do is start a drop service business, is identifying the service that you want to sell for a premium, find somebody willing to do the work for less on Fiverr or Upwork, then set up a website where where you can advertise it using paid media. You also need to invest in Facebook ads and YouTube ads and TikTok ads, but that's entirely optional, or you can go the SEO route. With these are very low entry requirement, and you truly need all you truly need is dedication and a strong mindset. And you can start a drop servicing business even more easily than you can start drop shipping. So we are done with today's podcast, but this is not yet goodbye. I'll see you on the next one. If you like my voice or the info we gave, we have more ideas on the next video. Just click on it and keep listening. The more information you can gather in the quickest time will end up benefiting you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to make it a habit to search for information and ideas. To stay motivated, I will put myself in a situation like this. Don't think too much. Just keep searching for info, keep listening, and you already win half the battle. Billy.